Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Hard As Hoof is probably one of the most sought-after nail and cuticle cream formulations on the market, renowned for its potent blend of ingredients designed to deeply moisturize and strengthen brittle nails, prevent peeling, and promote healthy growth. This rich, intensive treatment works by penetrating the nail plate and surrounding skin, delivering essential nutrients and hydration that combat dryness and damage, making it an indispensable part of a regular nail care routine for those struggling with weak or damaged nails. Number 5. Mineral Fusion Nail Polish Remover. Introducing our Nail Polish Remover, a powerful yet gentle solution for your nail care routine. It effectively removes polish without harsh chemicals. Experience a better way to remove nail polish. This formula is acetone-free, ensuring a safer and more pleasant experience for your nails. Say goodbye to dry, brittle nails. Our unique liquid formula is designed to be non-drying, leaving your nails feeling moisturized and healthy. Give your nails the care they deserve. This remover not only cleans but also helps maintain the natural moisture of your nails. Effortlessly wipe away even stubborn nail polish. It makes the process quick and simple, so you can achieve a clean slate in no time. Achieve healthier looking nails with every use. It's the perfect addition to your beauty regimen for beautiful, well-maintained nails. What we like. This nail polish remover is acetone-free and non-drying. It's gentle on your cuticles, making it a great choice for those with sensitive skin or who frequently remove polish. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective way to clean your nails without harsh chemicals, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is amazing for my nails and cuticles. I have been using this product for years and it has kept my nails strong and healthy. It is also great for dry, cracked heels. Number 4. Nail Aid Keratin 3-Day Growth Nail Strengthener. Tired of weak, brittle nails? Introducing a revolutionary treatment designed to help your natural nails grow stronger and harder in just 3 days. This powerful formula is enriched with keratin amino acids, essential building blocks for healthy nail growth. It works to deeply nourish and fortify your nails from within. Witness a visible difference as your nails become noticeably longer and more resilient. Achieve the beautiful, strong natural nails you've always desired. Specifically formulated for those struggling with weak or damaged nails. It provides the intensive care needed to transform them into robust, healthy nails. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to beautifully grown, strong, and long natural nails. Get ready to show off your stunning manicure. What we like. Infused with keratin amino acids, this treatment is designed to strengthen weak nails. It helps your natural nails grow stronger, harder, and longer. If you struggle with brittle nails that break easily and want to achieve healthier, more resilient natural nails, this product is an excellent option. What people say. This product is a game changer for brittle nails. It strengthens nails and promotes healthy growth. The formula is non-greasy and absorbs quickly. Number 3. ELLA+MILA First Aid Kiss Nail Strengthener. Say goodbye to thin, brittle nails. Our First Aid Kiss Nail Strengthener is here to help. This powerful treatment works to strengthen and harden your nails. It's designed for those with thin, brittle, or damaged nails. Infused with vitamin E, it nourishes your nails. This helps promote healthier growth and resilience. Use it as a base coat before applying your favorite polish. It provides a smooth, protective layer. We are proud to say it's vegan and cruelty-free. You can feel good about using this product. Achieve the strong, healthy nails you've always wanted. Experience the difference with our nail strengthener. What we like. This nail strengthener and hardener is perfect for thin, brittle, and damaged nails. Enriched with vitamin E, it provides essential nourishment. If you're seeking a vegan-friendly solution to fortify and improve the condition of your delicate nails, this product is a fantastic choice. What people say. This product is a hoof conditioner and moisturizer. It is a great product for keeping hooves healthy and strong. Number 2. ZanaQuick Extra Strength Nail Repair Drops. Are you struggling with thick, damaged, or discolored nails? ZanaQuick Extra Strength Nail Repair Drops offer premium care to help renew your nails. Our advanced formula is designed to penetrate deeply and provide effective repair. Experience the difference of extra strength care. Specifically created for nails that need extra attention. It works to restore their natural health and appearance. Simply apply the drops as directed for targeted treatment. It's a convenient way to achieve healthier-looking nails. This single pack provides a complete course of treatment for noticeable improvement. Get back to beautiful, healthy nails. What we like. Designed for premium care, these drops offer extra strength repair for thick, damaged, and discolored nails. They work to renew and revitalize nail health. If you're dealing with stubborn nail issues like thickness, damage, or discoloration, and need a potent solution, consider this for intensive nail renewal. What people say. This product is amazing for my nails and cuticles. It really helps to strengthen my nails and prevent them from breaking. My cuticles are so much softer and healthier looking since I started using this. Number 1. Barielle Hydrating Ridge Filler. Are you struggling with nails that are dry, brittle, and showing ridges? It's time to give them the care they deserve. This formula is designed to fill and smooth out those unsightly nail ridges. Achieve a perfectly smooth canvas for your manicure. Not only does it smooth, but it also supports healthy nail growth. Say goodbye to weak nails and hello to stronger ones. Experience deep hydration that revitalizes your nails. It combats dryness and leaves them feeling supple and nourished. Use it as a strengthening base coat before applying polish. It provides a protective layer while improving nail health. This convenient 0.5-ounce bottle contains everything you need for healthier, smoother nails. Get ready to love your nails again. What we like. This hydrating formula is specifically designed for dry, brittle, and ridged nails. It effectively fills and smooths out nail ridges while promoting healthy growth. If you suffer from uneven nail surfaces and dryness and desire a smoother, stronger nail base, this product is ideal for you. What people say. This product is amazing for my nails and cuticles. I have been using this for a few weeks and my nails are much stronger and healthier looking. It has a nice scent and absorbs quickly into the skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.